Hi there! In today's video, I want to show you how to change font size on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. And for that, we just need to press the digital crown to open the list of apps and here go in the settings. After that, scroll a bit to see the tab which is named Display and Brightness. And now you can see the text size section, so just select it. And here, use these letters to just make the text size bigger or make it smaller by tapping these small letters. And this is the default setting. So if you want to leave it bigger, just tap here. And now it just become bigger. To save the changes, you just need to click this arrow to go back. And that's it. Also, if you would like to see a text more visible, to make it more visible, you just need to click here on bold text and you can see how the font changed. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.